Hi everyone, this is Zahra. I'm on Moodle MOOC 12 and would like to make some changes and additions in my profile. In order to go to my profile, I can click on my name here below my picture, and also I can go to preferences and go to edit profile. First of all, let's go to the upper part of this menu, my name, to see the main profile. Okay, as you can see, I've got a description here. I've got some details about my country, my city, my interests, Skype ID, Yahoo ID, etc. And the badges from the previous courses. There are also some other items like blog entries, notes, my certificates, forum posts, reports, browser sessions, grades, overview, etc. Now if I want to edit my profile, I can, as I mentioned here, go to preference. Of course, here I am in the profile, or if I'm in the profile, I can edit it from this link, edit profile. So if I want to edit my profile, I come here, my name, surname, email address, email display, city, everyone is set from before. The time zone is particularly important for me because when live sessions are announced, they are announced on the course based on the original time, where the course is launched. I think it's Canada. But when I adjust this time zone, that is Asia, Tehran, the time, on the main, let's show you, on the main page of the course, you see these Wiz IQ sessions here based on my own time zone, and I do not have any difficulty to go to the session and make some calculation and convert the time to my own time zone. So it is very important, particularly for me, to have my time zone. Now, if I want to show you how to adjust my time zone, I come to this part, find my own country, my own city, first of all, the continent, and the capital city. So I've chosen Asia, Tehran. Here I also have some descriptions about myself. I have already said it, but let's make some additions. I've been teaching general English courses at schools and universities for, well, let's say for more than, or for over 7 years, because when I wrote it, it was 7 years, but it was, I think, more than a year ago. Now it's over 7 or 8 years. The rest is okay. I can also change my picture. I'm not gonna change it at the moment. I don't have any other picture available now, but I may change it in the future. We can also add some additional names. We can talk about our interest. I have already written technology, Moodle, let's say teacher education. Okay, I can write it as a hashtag or just write it, type it, and it becomes like a hashtag, a kind of keyword as one of my interests. And there are also some other optional items like adding web pages, Skype. I have already written my Skype ID, Yahoo ID, and you can add anything about your institution, phone number, mobile number, etc., etc. After you make sure everything is set, you can click on the update profile. Yes, your profile is updated at the moment. We can go to other parts like messages, private files, forum post discussions, grades and badges. Let's see what badges we may get from this course. Wow. Oh, sorry, these are the badges previously earned, but for this course, I'm not sure I found it. They might be available somewhere. Okay, let's go to this part. We've got other parts for preferences as well. Edit profile can bring us to the same page that we have recently updated. Let's see our update. Yes, over. The word is right. And about my interests, let's see if the new interest is already added. Yes, teacher education is added. So we can update our profile by coming to this picture, our picture here, our avatar, going to preferences, or going directly to our name and then go to edit profile. You can also discover different parts of these profiles and find different features. Thank you so much for your attention.